intentionally I'm not wired for, you know, what is my product.
mm,
I am wired with who do I serve. The way we are designing the retreat, if I'm
yeah.
taking my children, I don't want to be carrying all of that. I don't
Excellent.
want to carry the car.
Yeah.
So we have area that is we are setting up for children as well, and we're setting up for elderly as well. So stepless,
Good.
we have the building rooms that are stepless.
Mm,
There are rooms that are set up for elderly, bathrooms and all.
mm,
So that's the idea, and we will be catering to. I mean, I have an art studio elsewhere.
mm,
We're building workshops as well for creators.
mm,
So my view towards this is this land that I have. It's
mm,
beautiful, scenic, orchard, lakeside, hills,
mm,
jungles, wildlife. It's a gift that I've received, and
mm,
anybody who wants to honor that gift and
mm,
come to the farm and find value in it, we will
mm,
create solutions for them. So,
mm,
retreat to me is not a business enterprise, just like
mm,
any other all the other ventures that we have.
mm,
And
mm.
retreat and farming are not the only enterprises that we have. We have few more
Yeah.
eggs nested
Yeah.
in other places, but everywhere uh, we have tried to intentionally. I'm not wired for, you know, what is my product.
Mm,
I am wired with who do I serve, and the
mm,
more I can serve, why? I mean, it's a good opportunity as well when you're not really in
mm,
directional that I am only going to focus on corporate retreats. I can do that as well.
mm,
Workshops as well. We are incorporating all the models, so permaculture,
mm,
natural farming, um, Ayurveda.
mm,
So honestly, to me, it's like a
mm,
playground. I just
mm,
create something new every day,
mm,
and then see basic Airbnb. It already works. So my
mm.
baseline is already covered.